So you might be in a weird situation where your recent calls on your iPhone are all missing. Basically, there are no more recent calls, or maybe there's certain calls that are now missing that used to be there. Now, the reason why this may be happening, for one, the recents list only holds a select number of calls. I've seen some people said that it's about 100 calls, but if not, the older calls will be deleted over time. So unless you're like taking screenshots or you're personally saving those specific phone calls, they're pretty much going to be deleted as time progresses. So if they're past 100, consider it basically gone unless you have a backup of some sort. But if you want to go ahead and make sure that doesn't happen again, just back up your iPhone. As of right now, you can make a free iCloud backup if you want to, with a bit of iCloud storage by making your way over to your settings application. Go and click on General. You can click Transfer Reset, and you can go and prepare for a new iPhone, and you can just make an iCloud backup. That way, if in case something happens to your phone, you can at least still have a backup temporarily, but your past calls may be deleted there. But going forward, they may not be deleted, so keep that in mind. But if you do want to recover your calls, the first thing, see if you have a backup already available. If you do already have a backup that's just sitting there, then I would recommend going through and essentially just, restoring from that backup either on this iPhone or another iPhone. That way you can still see those calls. You can also go ahead and contact your carrier. So your carrier will see and have a list of calls that you've made for not only the last 100, but for many, many months, potentially, maybe even years. They may even have your whole entire call history. So if you go and contact your carrier, whether it's Verizon or T-Mobile or AT&T or whoever it is, go ahead and make your call to those specific carriers and ask them, hey, I'm subscribed to I'm your customer. Can you please send me my call logs from whatever? And they'll work with you. They'll give you your information. So that's another thing you can try doing as well. And I have seen a lot of people get success from that. Now, I've also seen some people mention that if in case you are sharing your information, like if you're sharing an Apple ID with some other people, or if another iPhone or iPad has your call history logs, they can delete things on their side, which may also end up deleting it on your side as well. So if that ends up happening, you may just want to go ahead and make sure nobody else has your Apple ID or any other information like that, and that might end up fixing the situation too. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.